Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kerry. I'm your purser on board this flight to Palma. I would also like to introduce my colleague Jamie, who will be working alongside me today. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. I would like to remind you, whenever you are seated, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. We will shortly be starting our onboard service. In our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering a cold meal with your choice of drinks from our premium complimentary bar and tea and coffee. In our Euro Traveller cabin, we'll be offering a complimentary drink from the bar, tea and coffee accompanied by a light snack. Please do not hesitate to let us know if you would like further drinks during the flight by visiting the galley or using the call button. It's now time to sit back, relax and enjoy this 2-hour flight. Thank you.